Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Carving with Brian. Uh, as you guys know, it's getting close to Halloween time. And for Halloween, what do we normally carve? That's right, pumpkins. So, we're gonna carve a pumpkin tonight. But not just any pumpkin, we're gonna carve a wooden pumpkin. So sit back and relax, enjoy the show, and let's get carving. Okay guys, so this is the pumpkin we are going to carve. My wife is gone ahead and drawn it up for me. So we're gonna use this this here aluminum cutter, and we're just gonna go around the outline. And so let's go ahead and throw it on up here. Throw it in the chuck, tighten it down. You don't have to really like crank on these things super hard either. Just snug it just a little bit. That's it. It ain't going nowhere. All right, let's get the carving. Okay guys, we've got the just a rough outline done. Let's go ahead, excuse me. Let's go ahead and peel away this tape. When you're trying to carve in the tape, it just gums up in your bit and your burrs, and it's a pain in the butt. It's okay to cut through it, but I don't like carving through it. So, peel it away. There we go. Okay, so before I carve in the eyes and the nose and the mouth and all that, I'm going to carve this deeper. I want this pumpkin to really like pop out, so I want to carve this in pretty deep. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to this burr here. It's the same thing, it's a aluminum cutter, but it's a ball shape. So we're going to switch to this one, and we're going to carve in pretty deep here. Okay?
Okay guys, it's time to break out the big dogs. This little dude, I mean, it's taking the wood for me, but not as fast as I'd like it, so we're going to switch over to this dude. This thing's going to pull some wood. Alright guys, so this cutter here, I thought it would, if I went at an angle, I thought it would cut real deep, and but it didn't. It is really good for feathering though, when you go along your lines here to smooth it out, get rid of your cut lines. Also, on the very top here, it's also serrated, so it's really good for, if you hold it straight up and down, you can smooth out your workstation or your work surface and drop it down lower than this surface. So that was pretty cool. Anyway, so I'm gonna switch back over to this little ball guy here, and we're gonna carve deeper. All right.
Okay, guys. So now we're going to go ahead and throw these lines in here. You know, like the pumpkin's got the little lines. So I don't know what they're called. You know what I'm talking about. But anyways, yeah, let's throw those lines in. I think we're gonna fix this one a little bit because it's kind of crooked. Anyways, throw those lines in. Get the eyes and the nose and the mouth carved in. And then we can peel away all this tape, get it out of the way. We'll go back and feather all this out, sand this bottom down a little bit. Maybe add some little waves in it or something to give it some texture. We'll hollow out the eyes, hollow out the nose, hollow out the mouth, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get some lines carved in on this dude, and we'll go from there. Real close here. So we need to take this background down. We're gonna have to go in here again and try to clean that out a little bit better. We also gotta sand the crap out of this thing. But first, let's take this background down because I want to see this pumpkin come to life. Okay, so we're gonna switch over to, let's try the Cuts All Extreme Flame Burr. If that doesn't work out, we'll switch back to this one. But I want to try Cuts All, so that's what we're gonna do. All right.
Guys, so we've come to everybody's favorite part of the carving, which would be sanding. Yay! So anyways, let's get this chucked up. We'll get you guys back up in here, and we're gonna sand for like the next 2 weeks. We're gonna sand this thing. All right, so let's throw you guys up there. We're all there. Whoop, and get to sanding. Okay, I am covered in sawdust. Is it called sawdust if it comes from a Dremel dust? Whatever it is. I'm covered in it. But we got Mr. Pumpkin done. Okay, he's sanded as much as I can. There's still some blue lines on there. I tried to get them off. She's just gonna have to, hopefully she can paint over them. So anyways, let's go ahead and hand them off. Alright guys, so the Pumpkin Man is done. It turned out pretty freaking cool. It's like the Starry Night pumpkin monster from outer space. He's coming to get you. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps out a lot. It'll get my videos out there. Something about the YouTube algorithm. The more thumbs up I get, the more places my video shows up. So hit that thumbs up button. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe if you haven't. And happy Halloween, guys. Catch you on the next one. Keep carving.